मेरी दुनिया मेरी दुनिया मेरी दुनिया तू ही रे, मेरी खुशियाँ मेरी खुशियाँ मेरी खुशियाँ तू.
Whether it's a girl or boy, we all love you.
Congratulations, Srishti and Bhaiya. Today is a big day and we are missing you so much. And I am sure you must be missing me also. I wish I was there for your baby shower and your baby arrival also. I want to spend each and every day with you, with your baby. I'm missing you so much. Wish you all the best for the safe delivery, for the best of health of yours and for your baby. Love you, sweetheart.
Many congratulations, Sushant and Srishti Bhabhi. Like your name, Srishti Bhabhi, you are the world for all. Always live, always charming. And I know Sushant also loves this moment, but he doesn't say always to you. And you always miss him to say this all things. But we all are so happy for all these moments of your life. We are feeling as if that we are enjoying each and every moment. Whenever we are here in Nairobi, Bijal and we always remember you, and Bijal always misses you and remembers सृष्टि अभी क्या कर रही होगी, सृष्टि अभी क्या खाना खा रही होगी, कौन उसको खिलाता होगा. So very big moment, very proud moments for both of you and all of us and the entire family, and we wish you lots and lots of memorable moments all together. Cherish each and every moment together, and we bless you all also and pray to Swami and Bhagwan and Guru Hari Mohan Swami for your best and best of health and also for your best health of your baby. All the best! Yay! Congrats!
Hi Srishti, how are you?
We miss you. We
love you. Many heartiest congratulations on your new bundle of joy.
सृष्टि, जब हम तुम्हें फर्स्ट टाइम मिले थे 1 साल पहले,
तुम खुद ही ऐसे चब्बी सी बेबी जैसे लग रही थी
और आज विश्वास नहीं हो रहा है कि तुम मम्मा बनने वाली हो. हम
तुम्हारे लिए बहुत खुश है.
सृष्टि, हम दोनों बहुत ही खुश हैं. तो तुम्हारी बेबी शावर पे हम हमारी फैमिली की तरफ से तुम्हें बहुत सारी और तुम्हारे होने वाले बेबी के लिए और सुशांत भैया को बहुत कंग्रेचुलेशंस एंड विशिंग यू लॉट्स एंड लॉट्स ऑफ हैप्पीनेस.
लव यू.
Hi Shrishti, congratulations once again. I'm really happy for both of you. It's a big day, I understand, and it's a great feeling to be a mother. I'll just a lot of people share a lot of experiences of their own. People say that it's you have sleepless nights. That's a basic point that you should accept, when you have a kid. I'll give you a small example of mine. When Tanush was around 4 months and till 10 months old, that period of time he had a cycle of 21 days. So every 21 days he had a new pattern. Sometimes during that period, there was a time for 21 days when he used to wake up at around say 2:30 a.m. and he would go back to sleep at 6:30. So because Shubhrata was working, so I had to make tiffin for him. So what I used to do, I never used to fold the clothes and dusting and everything. I used to do at that period of time because he never used to disturb. He used to just play around. But he obviously was too young to just be unattended. So I used to do all my household works during that period of time. And when he was asleep, I also used to go to sleep. It's a fun. There would be days when you'll feel like crying. There would be days when you'll really feel happy, and I really wish I could be there. But you can see I am already ready and I'm being a part of the function. I love you, Shrishti. I love you a lot. All the very best. I'm sure you both will be great parents. Yeah. Bye.
Auntie, congratulations to you, uncle, for your baby. When are you coming here? I am missing you. I want to play with your baby. I want to teach him the slopes. I want to play with him chess. I want to teach him dance. Many more things. I am not going anywhere. I will wait for you in the airport. My vote is for a girl.
Srishti, how are you? Congratulations to you and your family.
Sisti, we are not able to come to Dubai on this great occasion, but we were very, very happy when we came to know about this good news. And we are sure that your journey so far has been very, very magical. So continue enjoying these memorable days. And we are also waiting for the time to come when we will be coming to Dubai next, and we will be enjoying and playing around with the new baby. So now wishing you all the best, happiness and good health.
And this for you. Bye.
Bye.
Hi Shashti and Sushant, I hope you both are doing good. Yeah, we are really very excited that there will be the new arrival, yeah, in your family, and we can't wait for the occasion, you know.
Hi Srishti and Sushant, thank you so much. I think for the good news and बहुत प्रतीक्षा है नए आगमन की आपकी फैमिली में, एंड आई एम श्योर सुशांत इज गोइंग टू लर्न द लेसन्स फॉर हाउ टू चेंज द डायपर्स. दिस इज गोइंग टू बी अ ग्रेट adventure for him. Srishti, take care of your health and wish you a very happy and safe delivery. Okay, happy baby shower. Thank you.
Thank you.
ਵਧਾਈਆਂ ਬੀਬੀ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਵਧਾਈਆਂ ਨੀ ਵਧਾਈਆਂ ਬੀਬੀ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਵਧਾਈਆਂ ਨੀ ਵਧਾਈਆਂ ਤੇਰੇ ਹੋਤ ਨੂੰ ਤੇਰੇ ਪੋਤ ਨੂੰ ਤੇਰੇ ਬਾਪ ਬੰਤੇ ਗੋਤ ਨੂੰ ਵਧਾਈਆਂ ਨੀ
एक फोटो ले दो शीशा
अरे
में।
सृष्टि, जब देखो तभी आप सेल्फी करते हो. नहीं सृष्टि, जाने दो, कहाँ आ गए हो? बेबी के साथ.
बेबी के साथ।
आ जाओ.